continue on for 24 hours or so. Tomorrow morning we leave for vacation. We'll be gone for 2 weeks. But to begin this, I'm going to give you a quick little packing tip that you may or may not already know or do. And if you don't already do this, you will love it. So this is my packing tip. All right, I'm gonna do Beckham's suitcase. And I have all his clothes laid out. I'm gonna start here with his nice dress shirts. All right, so I'm gonna bring him down to this suitcase. These are just Rimowa suitcases, Rimowa. Anyway, they're really nice, sturdy suitcases. The problem with these suitcases, the only problem is they're heavy already without anything in them. So if you have to plan for like a 2-week vacation, you have to be really judicious with what you pack. So, you know, it can't be over 50 pounds. So, all right, here's the tip that I'm gonna share with you today. Instead of like taking the piles and putting them in the suitcase like this, no, here it is. We roll the clothes. Roll the clothes. And then just stack them neatly side by side. Just rolling the clothes, real simple. This is a great idea to do in the drawers as well. That way when they open up the drawers, they can see all of their clothes right here in line in the drawers, and they don't have to fumble through and look for everything. So anyway, this is what you do. You just roll all the clothes, real simple, and then when you get to your destination, wherever that may be, all of your clothes are not wrinkled. They're nice and straight. Let me show you mine. I already did mine. And here are all my clothes. Right here, I have some layers, but they're all rolled. See how that is? And they all fit in here. I've got dresses, I've got jeans over here. I'm bringing this shirt to my sister. She wanted my Zara top, so I'm gonna bring that to her. But look, everything is just rolled. Super, super easy, no problem whatsoever. So if you don't know this tip, try it on your next vacation. See if it works. Let me know what you think. I'm gonna be rolling all of his clothes, putting them in the suitcase, and then I will show you the finished product in just a minute. All right, guys, look at that. Completely done. Everything, look, everything that was on the bed except for his hoodie that he's gonna put in his carry-on is right here in the suitcase. Rolled perfectly, and look, it took up 1.5 sides. Enough clothes for 2 weeks, well, really for like 6 months, but I always overpack, especially for Beckham, just because he changes clothes 3 times a day. And there's enough room right up there at the top for whatever he wants to include, toys or whatever it is, and that's it. So the next time I see you, we will be at the airport, or it'll probably be in the morning. So hope you got some good tips on packing. Bye-bye. Now that's a cup of coffee. Good morning. I am drinking my coffee. I'm the only one up. It is 7:28. It's really 6:28. Daylight savings time. Don't you love it? Oh, there's Beckham. All right, we're getting our day started. Headed to the airport today for our vacation, spring break. All right, hi guys. Welcome back. I am all packed and we are ready to head to the airport. I've got my carry-on. Oh, it's super heavy, but I'm gonna attach it to my rolling suitcase, so it shouldn't be that big of a deal. And we'll see you at the airport. This is the airport line on spring break. This is what it looks like. This is what we're dealing with. Right here. spring break week in Texas. Good thing we got to the airport early because holy cow. We finally made it through security and the line was outrageous. It probably took us, I don't know, I'll check the time, maybe 20 minutes, 25 minutes. So we're waiting on the rest of the group and I'll be back soon. We are in the quiet place, as my son calls it, which is actually the Admiral's Club. Here's our selection. Well, hello, girl. Fancy meeting you here. Oh, that looks good right there. Toasters, some soup, some oatmeal, some coffee, fruit, drinks, beverages. Yes. We have about an hour till our flight takes off, so this is where we'll be. We made it! We're in Phoenix. This is what you have to take when you have 600 kids with you. Hi, kids! Kids, say hi. Hi, everybody! Yeah. And we made it, and I unpacked, and you can see all my clothes are hanging up. Nothing is wrinkled. See? Nothing. Look, a pressed white shirt looks perfect. I promise you I did nothing to anything. But there it all is, looking nice, hung up, put away. Got shoes over here. And we are ready to begin our vacation. Yay! We made it. Everything's unpacked. So now it's wine time for Kelly. The kids are swimming and reading and relaxing. So cheers. Here is where we will be for the next 2 weeks. Chilling at this pool right here, looking at the mountains. I'll probably be right there on that little raft. Right there. The quietness of Phoenix. Sunny and warm and beautiful. So this is where we'll be. I'll be checking in and out throughout the 2 weeks.